Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Reflexology Socks is probably one of the most innovative accessories for foot health. These socks are designed to stimulate reflex points on your feet, promoting relaxation and improved circulation. If you're looking for a way to soothe tired feet, reduce stress, or simply enhance your overall well-being, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Reflexology Socks. Number 5. NatraCure Cold Therapy Socks Reusable Foot Ice Pack. These cold therapy socks offer immediate relief for various foot conditions. Within seconds, they chill your feet, providing comfort and reducing pain. It's a simple solution for everyday aches. Use these socks for neuropathy, plantar fasciitis, and arthritis. They're designed to provide relief from sprains, strains, and swelling. The cooling effect helps manage discomfort effectively. These ice packs for feet are ideal for any foot injury. They provide relief from tendinitis and gout. The design ensures that the entire foot receives the cooling benefits. The small-medium size fits a wide range of shoe sizes. They can be used as plantar fasciitis socks or to soothe neuropathy pain. It's a reusable ice bag for your convenience. The chilled gel pack neutralizes pain and wear and tear. One pack goes beneath the foot, and another on top or behind the heel. These are great slippers for foot pain. These are ideal comfort items for chemo patients. They provide cooling relief during chemotherapy treatments. It's a thoughtful addition to any chemo care package. What we like. This product offers instant relief with its cold therapy. It's perfect if you have aching feet or are recovering from an injury. If you're looking for a non-medicated way to soothe your feet, this is a great choice for you. What people say. She already owns a pair of these cooling socks and says they work wonderfully to help with her neuropathy. They stay cool for about 30 minutes. It also has a pocket for the heel of your foot. Number 4. TISSCARE Shiatsu Foot Massager. This foot massager uses 4 simulated hands, 8 rollers, and 74 nodes. It mimics massage techniques like kneading and rolling. You can adjust the intensity and time for a more personalized experience. With its 360 degrees adjustable handle, this machine can target your feet, ankles, or calves. You can easily move it around to enjoy a massage wherever you are. The calf massager has a heating system that reaches up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps improve blood circulation and keeps your muscles active. It's especially beneficial for those with leg and foot swelling or reduced mobility, especially in cold weather. It comes with a remote control for easy use, especially if you have limited mobility. The compact design makes it easy to store. The foot sleeves are removable and washable for hygiene. The TISSCARE foot massager is safety certified. If you have any questions, please reach out. They are committed to providing a satisfactory solution with excellent service. What we like. This foot massager combines Shiatsu massage with heat, promoting circulation and relaxation. It's designed with an adjustable handle, so you can carry it anywhere. If you like a comprehensive foot massage experience with added warmth, you should consider this. What people say. It hits all the right spots on your feet and calves when it's in the upright position. The heat setting is great. It has the perfect amount of pressure and stimulation. Number 3. FASHIXD Acupressure Reflexology Socks and Massage Tools. Do you experience physical and mental fatigue? These Acupressure Reflexology Socks can help. They stimulate reflex points on your feet to induce a healing response, helping you feel better throughout the day. These socks are designed to help you easily find the right massage areas. They're perfect for beginners, with easy-to-follow diagrams that show you the corresponding organs and systems of the body. It makes it simple to understand the essentials of reflexology. By stimulating these points, you can clear energy-blocked channels. This helps release energy flow, which in turn improves your overall health. You can use it at home or in a massage salon. These socks are made from high-quality cotton, making them breathable and comfortable. They are also durable and long-lasting, and we've included massage tools to help you get the most out of them. FASHIXD is committed to providing excellent products and customer service. If you have any issues with the socks, please contact us, and we will resolve it for you immediately. We are always here to help. What we like. These socks help you quickly identify reflex zones, making it easy to understand reflexology. It promotes good health through stimulating acupressure points. If you are a beginner interested in reflexology or want to improve your overall well-being, you should try this. What people say. These socks came in a nice plastic zipper pouch. The socks labels are colorful, the socks soft and the tools sturdy. It shows the location of what organ is connected to what. The hard plastic wands are shaped perfectly for grip and pressure. Number 2. Acupressure Socks and Gloves, Reflexology Massage Kit. This Reflexology Massage Starter Kit is perfect for beginners. It includes clear instructions, making it easy to learn and enjoy the benefits of acupoint massage. You can easily do it yourself. There are over 10,000 valuable reflex points on our hands and feet. Using the instructions on the gloves and socks, you can treat yourself to a relaxing reflexologist session. It's a great way to improve your overall well-being. These socks and gloves are made of breathable cotton, suitable for daily massage. They are machine washable and reusable, making them a convenient choice for the whole family. Instructions are conveniently located on the side, and it's recommended to wash them before the first use. Looking for a perfect gift? These are ideal for mom, dad, and grandparents. They can help relieve fatigue and release pressure. It's a small investment for a big expression of love. The package includes a pair of massage gloves, a pair of massage socks, and a hand rod. If you have any questions about your order, please feel free to contact us through your order management. What we like. This set is a great starter kit for reflexology, including both socks and gloves with clear instructions. It's made of breathable cotton, suitable for daily use. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to try reflexology at home, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Before these socks, I was never sure exactly where each reflex point was. The socks fit me well and are comfortable, but my feet are on the small side. This is amazing for experienced LMTs and amateurs who love reflexology. Number 1. Reflexologist Socks and Gloves Set for Tired Relief. This set includes massage gloves, socks, and massage sticks. It's designed for daily use and sharing with loved ones. You'll have everything you need for a relaxing massage experience. The gloves and socks are made from soft, breathable, and durable elastic fibers. They're comfortable to wear and designed for long-lasting use. The clear point indications make self-massage easy. The printed reflexology points on the gloves and socks help you locate pressure points. This assists in relaxing your body and effectively relieving fatigue. It's a simple way to unwind. Massaging the reflex points on your hands and feet can boost your well-being. Consistent pressure on these areas can help nourish your body. It's a great way to give yourself a boost. This set makes a thoughtful gift for family and friends. It's a great way to help them relieve fatigue and reduce stress. Give the gift of relaxation and well-being. What we like. This set includes both socks and gloves, providing a complete reflexology experience. It's made of high-quality, breathable material and helps to relieve fatigue. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to relax and rejuvenate your feet, you should consider this. What people say. Cute to learn with. I like the ease of following the marked lines to use. The gloves are very easy to use, rub with your hands or rub it with the little sticks it comes with it, very self-explanatory. Do it yourself or get someone to do it for you like a little spa day, good product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.